tengkah. Menteri Rang Bak Jylla Konrad Sangma ulo pentip ba Shen dan Sdang ban ana ke license ban ti doyang ni ke mining license ha ke Jylla komisi benta jong jing rakhe yak jing dapsan posnam ke Jylla ulo ang bat ki don ar teli ki benta ban yo yak ni ke license ke ban kong kadai ke jing yo jing bet ban kmi nya yak jing don jong doyang ha ke jaka bat hadu kan nu don bat ke baar bat kalong bandan ya kaplan ke betikna kumno banti ya ha karukom ke beha bat ke jing start sayan ne ke scientific mining ke balong kat kum ke jing tha jong ke yeng kasari bahakli do jong keri.
License involves two steps and processes. One is to first give the prospecting license, and once the entire study is done and prospecting is done, then the second step is to then submit the mining plan to different agencies in central government, and then the approval comes, and then the mining plan, and once approval is done, they can go ahead with the mining. We are very hopeful that in the next few months we should see that at least a few mining plans to be approved by the IBM, that's the Indian Bureau of Mining, and other agencies in central government, and we'll be able to actually see scientific mining process start in the state as per the Supreme Court order of July 2019.